Welcome to episode 30. Wow, 30 episodes together, Kei-sensei. Today, I want to talk about something that mesmerized me in Japan. You turn a corner and there's a beautiful, ancient wooden structure. But I always get confused. Is it a temple? Is it a shrine? Are they the same?
Happy episode 30, Leo. And it's a huge difference, a very common confusion. In Japan, we have two distinct spiritual traditions coexisting. Buddhist temples are called Otera.
Okay.
On the other hand, Shinto shrines are called Jinja. They look different, the atmosphere is different, and even the way you behave inside is different.
Okay, wait, so it's either one or the other. Let's make sure our listeners can say both clearly before we look at how to tell them apart.
Perfect. Let's practice. Repeat after me for temple. Otera. And now for shrine. Jinja.
Excellent! Now give me the traveler's secret weapon, Kei-sensei. When I'm standing across the street looking at the entrance, how do I know instantly if I'm about to walk into a temple or a shrine? Because to me, old wooden buildings look kind of similar.
Ha ha. Fair enough. The ultimate visual shortcut is the gate at the entrance. If you see a massive, majestic gate, usually painted in a beautiful, bright vermilion red, you are entering a Shinto shrine, a Jinja.
Uh-huh.
That specific gate is called a torii. It literally means where birds rest, and it marks the boundary between our normal, everyday world and the sacred ground of the spirits.
Oh, wow, I've seen pictures of those, especially the famous one that looks like it's floating in the ocean near Hiroshima. So you're saying if there is one of those gates, it's guaranteed to be a shrine, and I will never find one at a Buddhist temple?
Spot on, Leo. You're an expert already. No torii at a temple. Let's practice this iconic word together. Repeat after me. Torii.
That makes it so much easier. So I pass under the gate, I walk down the peaceful stone path into the shrine, and I notice a small wooden booth with a long line of people. They're buying these gorgeous, colorful little fabric pouches with beautiful embroidery. What are those?
Ah, those are highly coveted. We call them omamori. They are protective amulets or lucky charms.
Lucky charms.
There are different types for everything you can imagine. Traffic safety, good health, passing difficult school exams, or just general good fortune.
Oh, I need a giant one for my Japanese fluency, clearly. If I'm walking around the shrine grounds and I can't find the booth to buy one, can I just use our classic phrase to ask a staff member?
Yes, absolutely. The staff wear traditional white and red robes, and you can just approach them politely and say, "Omamori wa doko desu ka?" Let's practice the charm first. Repeat after me. Omamori. Now the full question. Omamori wa doko desu ka?
Got it. Now, my favorite part of watching people at a shrine is the main altar. They toss a coin into a big wooden box, bow deeply twice, clap their hands twice, and then stand perfectly still with their eyes closed. What is the phrase for making that wish or praying?
When you toss your coin, usually a 5 yen coin because it signifies good luck, and you bow and clap, you say your wish silently in your heart. To wrap it up politely, the spiritual phrase we use is onegaishimasu.
Ah, that phrase. We know that one from ordering food and asking for passports. It's amazing how it works for spiritual wishes too.
It's like saying, "Please accept my humble wish to the spirits." We've covered a lot of sacred ground today, Leo. Before we celebrate 30 episodes with our cake, let's do a quick mental survival check of our historic site vocabulary. Ready?
Ready.
Temple, Otera. Shrine, Jinja. Shrine gate, torii. Lucky charm, omamori.
I've got my lucky charm ready. I know how to spot a shrine gate, and I'm ready to make a wish. 30 episodes down, and I feel like a truly respectful traveler. Thanks, Kei-sensei. Next time, we kick off our brand new chapter with episode 31.
After all that walking around temples and shrines, your feet are gonna be tired. We are heading straight to a traditional Japanese hot spring. We'll learn the essential vocabulary and the strict bathhouse etiquette so you can soak like a local without breaking any rules.
Yes, we are going to an onsen. Until then, mata ne.